Chevy Vortec V8 GMT800 truck. All right, not today, y'all. So last night we hit 150,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which is wild because last Halloween, October 31st, 2024, at about midnight, we hit 100,000 subscribers, and we're a couple days past that. A year later, 50,000 more, which is awesome. Y'all keep watching the Chevy truck tip videos, and I'll keep making them. So I got plenty more Chevy truck tip videos coming. Plenty more. I'm not out of content. I'm not out of ideas yet. Don't worry, guys. I got enough to last years. So I'm gonna keep going with that. We got side projects. Let's check out those for now. Avalanche behind me is running great. I've been daily driving it, but let's see what's going on. All right, so here's my play button. We got this at 100,000 subscribers. We're at 150,000 subscribers now. I really appreciate all the support, guys. You know, we wouldn't have got there without all those Chevy truck tip videos. Man, oh man. Man, I love me some Chevy trucks. So, you know, we're looking for more Cateye, Duramax, you know, LBZ, stuff like that. Y'all seem to like the gasoline engines. We'll keep doing that, obviously. But I got plenty of plans for the future. So this thing's real nice. I hang it above my editing computer. Remind me where I came from, where we are. There you go. There's a look at it. It's nice and shiny, man. Like a Cateye with good paint. So there's that. Plans for the future. We got that Excavator we're working on. I got some other stuff I'm working on, but you know, I'll work on just about anything as long as it's fun. So I'm looking for more Chevy trucks like LBZ, you know, more 5.3s. I really, everybody wants GMT400, like the old trucks, like the 1994s and 5s and 6s and stuff like that. But you know, I'll find me one. If I find me one that's worth working on, I'll work on it. You know, they're so old at this point. Is anybody really daily driving those? You know, after the Cateyes, the 08s and up, I really don't have any interest in buying one of those with the displacement on demand. They're junk. I don't want to waste time. I really don't want to buy those, but if y'all want me to buy one and work on it for everyone else, I guess I'm gonna have to, but I got bigger plans for this channel in the future. So I ain't stopping yet, guys. I got plenty of more content coming. Cateye, so this is a new daily driver right here. The red Cateye is out of commission for now, about to pull the engine out of it. But this is running good, really good. Then of course we have the Kubota Excavator project. It is covered because it wouldn't stop raining, so I got the buckets down here. I've been going through these, and then I got new bushings. I'm pressing that in and stuff, but man, oh man. I wanna paint it, you know. I get tired of doing heavy lifting, you know, heavy duty work, and kind of just want to paint it, just spray it. Shh. I might spray it soon because it's getting not really that rusty, but it's got oil leaks underneath. That's a whole nother video. Man, I've been doing so much work on this. I hadn't even had time to edit the videos together, but it's coming along good. And I got another project behind me. I don't want to show y'all yet, but so check out that Kubota Excavator project. Hauling off some junk, you know, dump run. Let's go take a look at the red Cateye. So the red Cateye is out of commission for now. Man, we're in trouble on this, so we're in trouble. We're gonna have to get a new battery. You know, it's bad at this point. I've been coming out here cranking it, driving it. It's got low oil pressure, you know. If y'all didn't see, the heads on this thing is bad. It's only got 162,000 miles on it, 4.8. I gotta get new heads. I'm gonna pull the engine. It leaks oil like a sieve. I'm gonna, you know, get it fixed up. Couldn't do it in the 105-degree heat or whatever. So now we're gonna be doing it in the cool. Either way, it is what it is. But I'm gonna pull this motor out soon and go through the whole thing, reseal it, get it up to date, you know, with all new gaskets and every little trick I know to keep it running for another 160,000 miles. So that's an update on the red Cateye. It's gonna sit right here in the woods until I'm ready to work on it. Cateye. All right, so here's the deal. I got long form videos, I got short form videos. I got plenty of long form Chevy truck videos coming. You know, those are a bit slower, slow them down, you know, get a little bit more in depth. And then shorts, you know, got some of those coming too, so that you can watch those, figure out what the problem is quick and easy on the truck. But yeah, man, I got plenty of content coming. I got excavator videos stockpiled. I just gotta edit them together. I got Chevy truck tip videos stockpiled. Just gotta edit them together. That's all right. We got 150,000 subscribers now, and we are gonna keep going for 2026. So I will check you on the next video. I really appreciate the support. Don't forget to drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. Later.